This is how to reset your tyre pressure monitoring system message on your BMW. This is a 420 Gran Coupe, and we're getting the tyre pressures a slightly low message, which they were. We just reset them, so we're going to go into the iDrive, and the easiest way of doing it, we'll start from the main menu. So you can scroll left to right using the dial, go to My Vehicle, and then Vehicle Status, and then you've got all the other bits and pieces. So Vehicle Status comes up with the tyre pressure notification, so you want to, that's it, sorry, wrong one, that's it, select, down to tyre pressure menu, and then perform reset, and that's it. It's whilst driving, so basically now needs to be given a run around the block and it'll be good to go. And that's all there is to it. That'll clear the message, and then you can go back to your menu, sort out whatever it is you wish. Okay, thanks for watching, like and subscribe.